नहीं नहीं नहीं
ऐसे देखो मत यार।
हाँ छोड़
कुछ प्रिपेयर नहीं है, मेरे को कल रात को थोड़ा भी बोलते थे ना।
The best memories about fantasies are when we used to sit in the outhouse with my team. I used to sit there. We used to be like blank. We used to know nothing.
Fantasies were a great journey. It was an unforgettable memory for me. But as it is getting over, it's as painful as that. But nonetheless, let's others get a chance. But I'll always be a fan of fantasies and will be following them and will wish to come for every year to visit fantasies, and I wish that fantasies grow bigger and better. My favorite department, modern discipline, my Suresh, Tejas, Vignesh, Vedanti, I miss all of you guys. You did a very good job. You were all new to this, but had a very good experience with all of you. We love you guys. Regarding logistics, I'd like to say that it was a very good setup and permissions you all deal with was awesome. It was a great experience working with you all. And regarding sports, Somu and Anand, awesome guys, awesome. This was the only year where I would feel it was the well perfect management of every sport event, without any mistakes, without any arguments, without much of physical violence, nothing at all. Everything was well managed, and it is going to be very depressing for me to will not be able to work with you all next year, but we'll miss you guys forever and love you.
About my departments, finance and PR. Finance, guys, you've done a great job. Adarsh, Aishwarya, Priyanka, I'm really proud of you guys, and I'm really glad that I've been with you all since the last 6 months. And about PR, Mithal, you've been a great head this year. And yeah, how could I miss my guys, Jay and Gunnar, Shanta bhai. People, I really love you guys. It's been a crazy journey. I wish I had some more time to spend with you all, but none other than that, cheers, all the best.
I am so glad and proud that I had these three gem of departments, that is admin, HR and creators under me. Like they have been the most supportive departments and my pillars. And I'm so glad that I was there with the same team. I'll start off by saying for admin, I started in this department. It is team family, team love. Admin has been such an amazing department. They've been so independent right from the start. I'm so glad that I chose Priya as the head and Subbu, Anaira and Nikhat as the jointers. You've done an amazing job and I'm so proud of you. Second, HR. The department worked so hard these 2 days, and I'm so sorry I couldn't give you all time, but you guys managed it so well. Edina, Chirag, HR, you've done an amazing job. I'm so proud of you all. And last but not the least, the department which made college ready for fantasies, that is Team Creatives. I'm so sorry I couldn't get your materials on time every time, but you guys did an amazing job, right from asking for money for materials to making the college so festive looking. Thank you Arvind, Varun, Vedika and Pooja for being so amazing and for doing such an amazing job. Like the Thambi 3D element is amazing and it's going to stay the best Thambi element ever. And I'm going to end off by saying special thank you to Team Events and Team Publicity. You're the best department. I love you guys so much.
My departments. Those were my strength. My departments were my strength. I used to rely on my departments. They were one of the best thing I could ever have. Let's start with digitals. Digitals was core for me. Without digitals, you cannot show off your fest. Your fest is being publicized, it's being shown off, the artwork, everything is from digitals. You are expressing, digital is expressing us. All the artwork, all the video editing, photography, everything is from digitals. And those two people handling digitals, they have done a great job. These people were, I had to tell them, Akansha, Iggy, I want it. Akansha, Iggy, I want it. Akansha, calm down. Ignatius, I need it. Chill, हो जाएगा. But yet somewhere They did a great job, and I'm so happy with my digitals team. Out of, I don't know, when it started, I never knew how digitals will go, how will it be. But they have done a splendid job, and I'm gonna so miss my digitals team. Next, I'll talk about events. Events team, amazing. I cannot describe it in one word. This team, their team spirit, amazing. Rohan was a true leader this year. He has led the entire events team. From pinch to the end, everything the events team has handled. They have done everything so organized. Their team spirit is amazing. I don't know if we fantasies could ever have such an amazing events team. And I think everyone agrees with it. They have done an amazing job handling events, participation, everything. Neil, Nakshita handled the entire building events alone. Rohan handled the entire performing arts. They have been amazing, and I don't know, I'm gonna miss you guys. I'm gonna miss you all so much working with you all. Shreya, everything is done. Don't worry. Everything is done. Don't worry. They used to handle everything. Everything. I'm gonna miss them. Next, I had publicity. Publicity. My cute little brats. My stupid little people who I always used to yell at. I used to yell at them. I have crossed all the limits of screaming at them. You know, these people were so patient with me. I'm so sure when after this movie ends, these people are gonna come on the stage and kill me. They're gonna kill me because I've annoyed them so much. I've been irritating them. Do this. Why isn't this done? Do that. Do this. Do that. Do this. Calling Kasha. Kasha, where is this? Kasha, why isn't it done? Hansen, where are you? Pemya, where is the OC video? Oh my god, I have been a Hitler for these people. I have been a total nightmare to these people. They used to get, I'm so sure they were irritated. Shreya Chopra calling, oh god, throw away the phone. They have hated me so much, I'm sure. But in the end, I am so happy. These people have done amazing. The countdown, the videos, everything, the OC spoof. It was late though, but it came out amazing. They have done literal hard work. Not only for publicity, they have also helped other departments whenever it's required. They have always been there. They were close to me. These people were more than OC members. They were real good friends. These people, I am going to miss you guys. Instead of shouting, I'm going to miss all the yelling and shouting. Everything. I'm going to miss all my departments. I'm going to miss you. Talking about informals. Informals is the life of the fest. They get the fest into action. If informals is not there, we don't have a crowd interaction. We don't have people having fun out there because it's very boring to just have an event going on. Informals get life in the festival, and Swati has done it so well. She has handled things so well. She has been so sweet. She never has, yelled, or she's never been hyper. She's always been there. I just want this. I want this. I want this. That's it. No demand. She has handled last minute things without even saying. She does things so well. The entire informants team, they handle up things in the last minute also so well. Like, I cannot say these people really do their jobs so well. About Thunderstruck. Thunderstruck, Live the Rock. These guys are the closing, the main event for fantasies, the USB of fantasies. Working with KD and Ashwin. KD, do this. KD, I won this in time. Ashwin, where are you, Ashwin? These people have brought Thunderstruck to here. They are the reason why Thunderstruck is there today. And it was amazing working with you guys. Really amazing. Last but not the least, the core organizing committee of Fantasy. The people I have come from here till here. From June, July till January. I have been with these people. They are my family. My literal family. I cannot say anything because they have seen me, they have worked with me, they know everything. Maybe things which even OC doesn't know, these people know. They know what I have gone through, I know what they have gone through, how we have started, how have we ended with all the problems coming up. A lot of problems. They have been there with me, I have been there with them. We were there for each other when, I mean, nothing can compensate. Nothing can compensate what we guys have shared with each other. These months, it's only Bala Sanjana Gowda on my list. Bala Sanjana Gowda. The way Gowda has handled everything. Gowda's one voice and everything is shut. Sanjana's blondness. Bala ka, अरे यार मुझे चाहिए श्रेया यार. Everything. These people were the best. I couldn't ask for more. Just couldn't. I'm gonna really miss you guys. Really miss you guys. I love you guys. I love you more than anything. Thank you.